What is the primary function of red blood cells? Answer. To carry oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin, which binds to oxygen and transports it through the bloodstream to various tissues. Which organ is responsible for filtering waste from the blood? Answer. Kidneys. The kidneys filter blood to remove waste products and excess substances, forming urine. What is the basic unit of life in the human body? Answer. The cell. Cells are the smallest structural and functional units of the body, performing essential functions for life. How many chromosomes does a human have? Answer. 46 chromosomes. Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, for a total of 46, with half coming from each parent. What is the largest organ in the human body? Answer. The skin. The skin is the body's largest organ, serving as a protective barrier and playing roles in temperature regulation and sensation. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Answer. The cerebellum. The cerebellum, located at the back of the brain, coordinates voluntary movements and helps maintain balance. What type of joint is found in the shoulder and hip? Answer. Ball and socket joint. These joints allow for rotational movement and a wide range of motion in multiple directions. Which hormone regulates blood sugar levels? Answer. Insulin. Insulin is produced by the pancreas and helps cells absorb glucose from the blood, lowering blood sugar levels. What is the main function of the respiratory system? Answer. To exchange gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide, between the blood and the air. The respiratory system facilitates the intake of oxygen and the removal of carbon dioxide through the lungs. What substance in the stomach helps digest food? Answer. Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid in the stomach breaks down food and activates digestive enzymes. Which blood vessels carry blood away from the heart? Answer. Arteries. Arteries carry oxygenated blood from the heart to the body's tissues, except for the pulmonary arteries, which carry deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? Answer. O negative. O negative blood can be transfused to any blood type because it lacks A, B, and Rh antigens. Which human organ produces bile? Answer. The liver. The liver produces bile, which helps digest fats in the small intestine. What is the primary function of white blood cells? Answer. To fight infections. White blood cells are part of the immune system, defending the body against pathogens. Which part of the human eye detects light and converts it into electrical signals? Answer. The retina. The retina contains photoreceptor cells that detect light and send visual information to the brain. What is the main component of human hair and nails? Answer. Keratin. Keratin is a fibrous protein that forms the structure of hair, nails, and the outer layer of skin. What part of the brain is responsible for memory and learning? Answer. The hippocampus. The hippocampus, located in the temporal lobe, is crucial for forming and retrieving memories. Which organ system includes the heart and blood vessels? Answer. The circulatory system. The circulatory system transports blood, nutrients, oxygen, and waste products throughout the body. What is the name of the process by which cells divide to form two identical daughter cells? Answer. Mitosis. Mitosis is a type of cell division that results in two genetically identical cells, essential for growth and repair. Which organ is primarily responsible for detoxifying harmful substances? Answer. The liver. The liver processes toxins and metabolizes drugs, making them easier to eliminate from the body. What is the main function of the small intestine? Answer. To absorb nutrients from digested food. The small intestine is the site where most digestion and absorption of nutrients occur. Which gland in the human body regulates metabolism? Answer. The thyroid gland. The thyroid gland produces hormones that control the rate of metabolism, influencing energy use in the body. What is the primary function of the large intestine? Answer. To absorb water and form feces. The large intestine absorbs water from indigestible food matter, forming solid waste, feces, for excretion. Which muscle is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body? Answer. The heart. The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood through the circulatory system, delivering oxygen and nutrients to tissues. What is the name of the pigment that gives skin its color? Answer: melanin. Melanin is a pigment produced by melanocytes in the skin, determining skin, hair, and eye color. What is the primary function of the immune system? Answer: to protect the body from infections and diseases. The immune system detects and neutralizes harmful pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, and other foreign substances. Which part of the digestive system is responsible for the absorption of most nutrients? Answer: the small intestine. The small intestines will increase the surface area for nutrient absorption from digested food. What is the largest bone in the human body? Answer: the femur, thigh bone. The femur is the longest and strongest bone, supporting the body's weight during standing and movement. Which part of the brain regulates vital functions such as heartbeat and breathing? Answer: the brainstem. The brainstem controls basic life-sustaining functions, including heart rate, breathing, and blood pressure. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? Answer: vitamin K. Vitamin K is necessary for the synthesis of proteins involved in blood clotting, preventing excessive bleeding. Which structure in the ear is responsible for balance? Answer: the inner ear, specifically the semicircular canals. The semicircular canals in the inner ear detect changes in head position and help maintain balance. What is the main function of the lymphatic system? Answer: to transport lymph and help defend the body against infections. The lymphatic system returns excess fluid to the bloodstream and contains lymph nodes that filter pathogens. Which organ in the human body is responsible for producing insulin? Answer: the pancreas. The pancreas produces insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels by facilitating glucose uptake by cells. Which organ is known as the master gland because it regulates many other glands in the body? Answer: the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland secretes hormones that control other endocrine glands, influencing growth, metabolism, and reproduction. What is the function of hemoglobin in red blood cells? Answer: to carry oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. Hemoglobin binds to oxygen molecules in the lungs and releases them into tissues as blood circulates. Which type of muscle is found in the walls of internal organs such as the stomach and intestines? Answer: smooth muscle. Smooth muscle is involuntary and controls the movement of substances through organs like the digestive tract. What is the primary function of the nervous system? Answer: to transmit signals between different parts of the body. The nervous system processes sensory information and coordinates the body's responses through nerve impulses. What type of blood cells are involved in clotting? Answer: platelets. Platelets are cell fragments that clump together to form clots and stop bleeding when blood vessels are injured. Which part of the brain is associated with emotions and decision-making? Answer: the frontal lobe. The frontal lobe is involved in higher cognitive functions, including emotional regulation, decision-making, and problem-solving. What is the function of the endocrine system? Answer: to secrete hormones that regulate various body functions. The endocrine system's glands release hormones into the bloodstream, controlling processes like growth, metabolism, and reproduction. What is the role of the spleen in the human body? Answer: to filter blood and help fight infections. The spleen removes old or damaged red blood cells, stores white blood cells, and plays a role in the immune response by filtering pathogens. Which hormone is primarily responsible for the fight or flight response? Answer: adrenaline, epinephrine. Adrenaline is released by the adrenal glands during stressful situations, increasing heart rate and energy levels to prepare the body for rapid action. What is the function of the alveoli in the lungs? Answer: to facilitate gas exchange between the air and the blood. Alveoli are tiny air sacs in the lungs where oxygen is absorbed into the blood and carbon dioxide is expelled. Which structure connects muscles to bones? Answer: tendons. Tendons are strong, fibrous tissues that attach muscles to bones, enabling movement when muscles contract. What is the main function of the liver in digestion? Answer: To produce bile, which helps break down fats. Bile produced by the liver emulsifies fats in the small intestine, aiding in their digestion and absorption. Which part of the nervous system controls involuntary actions like heart rate and digestion? Answer: the autonomic nervous system. The autonomic nervous system regulates involuntary bodily functions, including heart rate, digestion, and respiratory rate. What is the function of the large intestine in the digestive system? Answer: to absorb water and electrolytes from indigestible food and form solid waste, feces. The large intestine compacts waste material by absorbing water, forming solid feces to be excreted. Which part of the human brain is involved in processing visual information? Answer: the occipital lobe. The occipital lobe, located at the back of the brain, is responsible for interpreting visual stimuli from the eyes. What type of tissue connects bones at a joint? Answer: ligaments. Ligaments are strong, flexible tissues that connect bones at joints, providing stability while allowing movement. Which system in the body is responsible for defending against disease and foreign invaders? Answer: the immune system. The immune system consists of various cells, tissues, and organs that work together to identify and destroy pathogens and harmful substances. What is the primary function of the human skeleton? Answer: to provide structure and support to the body, protect internal organs, and facilitate movement. The skeleton gives the body its shape, supports soft tissues, protects vital organs, and works with muscles to produce movement. Which part of the blood is primarily responsible for carrying nutrients, hormones, and proteins? Answer: plasma. Plasma is the liquid component of blood that transports nutrients, hormones, proteins, and waste products throughout the body. What is the function of the pancreas in digestion? Answer: to produce digestive enzymes and hormones like insulin. The pancreas secretes digestive enzymes into the small intestine to help break down food and produces insulin to regulate blood sugar levels. Which part of the brain regulates body temperature, hunger, and thirst? Answer: the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus controls various autonomic functions, including body temperature, hunger, thirst, and circadian rhythms. Which type of blood vessel carries oxygen-rich blood to the heart from the lungs? Answer: pulmonary veins. Pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood from the lungs back to the heart, where it is then pumped to the rest of the body. What is the function of the rib cage in the human body? Answer: to protect the heart and lungs. The rib cage is a bony structure that encases and safeguards the thoracic organs, including the heart and lungs. Which part of the brain controls voluntary muscle movements? Answer: the motor cortex. The motor cortex, located in the frontal lobe, is responsible for planning, controlling, and executing voluntary movements. What is the function of the adrenal glands? Answer: to produce hormones such as adrenaline, cortisol, and aldosterone. The adrenal glands secrete hormones that regulate metabolism, immune response, blood pressure, and stress response. Which part of the body is primarily responsible for filtering and cleaning blood to form urine? Answer: the kidneys. The kidneys filter waste products from the blood, regulate electrolyte balance, and produce urine for excretion. What is the function of the red bone marrow in the human body? Answer: to produce blood cells, including red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Red bone marrow, found in certain bones, is the primary site for the production of blood cells, playing a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood.